What's up, everyone? Second day of my journey to a payout. Well, I mean, it's the first day actually, so it's not the second day, but in the last video, I said day one and I ended the day with like $350, and that was during Asia session. But today was like, I don't know, it was kind of a crazy day. I took so much trades, it was really not good what I did, but it ended out really good. But I'll get into a video explaining. You can see I ended with 703 right here for the day, and I kind of went over the profit limit, so it increased the target by quite a bit. But you know what? That's whatever. $703 remaining. We're like halfway there. Basically, yeah, we're halfway there. So I'll get straight into it. Okay. So I don't know how I'll be able to show all the trades that I took. I kind of went crazy. I overdid it. Um, there was a whole lot of stuff going on. I'm gonna be honest. It was not the best idea of what I did. Um, where did it go? I think this was one. I'm pretty sure I set up a long right here, entry right here, because this fair value gap, we had a liquidity sweep right here. SMT made on it too. And for some reason, I'm pretty confident that I put my stop loss right at the bottom of this candle, not all the way down here, but right here. You can see how they got ticked out. And I set my TP. There was no previous high that I put it at. Alright. It was a 4. So yeah, it was like right here. Yeah, this is the trade, but I got ticked out. I would have hit. Then there was a whole bunch of other random trades that I took, which was a terrible idea. I don't know why I did it. I just felt like, just when you get into one of those things, which is not a good thing to do. It's a really bad mental thing to be doing, but yeah. My bias was all around the place today also, because things just kept on switching me up. We were at all-time highs, but still had bullish, no, bearish signs and all that. But, you know, we're back to all-time highs. But I'll get back into the trade. I'll show you guys. So I ended the day yesterday with like 300 made. So that means the account was at 25,300. After all those trades that I took today, those terrible trades that I took today that like wiped me out, I was down to like it was 24,900 and something. But you can tell though I lost like $400. But this is the trade. You can see this huge candle hit me straight to take profit. Sweep the liquidity for New York PM lows, as well as this low right here. And I'll show you guys how I found this. This is my lifesaver, and I don't know why I took this last trade as well. But, I mean, I'll show you guys why I took it, though. Okay, so. Oh my gosh. There was this sweep right here, which led me to be bearish. Not only that, this swept this too. But it didn't sweep this. But, as you can see, we had this very low right here. This candle closed below it, so we're going to keep continuing down, but I was going to expect a retracement. So there was this fair value gap right here. Mark it out right there. You can see I put my entry to the top of this fair value gap right here. But that was, oh, I just ruined it. But you see though, entry was at this fair value gap. Stop loss was not this, but it was this high right here, right before this whole leg going down, and then take profit, obviously, right at these lows. And I don't know if there was some news that came out. You can see it just dumped and then pumped like crazy, but this is a huge saver for me. Saved me on the day, but I'm gonna make sure I don't do that tomorrow again, because I need to hold myself accountable for that. I don't know why I did it, but it is what it is. Just gonna have to work on that. But yeah, that's what puts us halfway there. If you guys want to keep seeing videos like this and see me get my first payout, make sure you guys subscribe and like the video so I can keep posting these videos. Thank you guys for watching.